Do you want to put clothes on a character but it doesn't stick to the body in Alight motion? How to attach clothes to body parts in Alight motion? Here's our character, naked. Now we must acquire some clothing for Baldy. He needs a shirt. Getting the clothes. If we're getting a shirt from Gacha Life 2, set the skin color the same as the background. This will make it easier when poofing the background. Go to Body 2x3 page and then to Adjustments and isolate the body. Make the body bigger for better quality. Then screenshot it. Removing the background. Go to your editing app. I'm using IBIS Paint X here. Take the Magic Wand tool and tap on the background to select it, then clear the layer. You can also customize the shirt here. To make custom clothes, you just need to bring the body layer, get a separate layer and draw the shirt on it. Save the shirt as a transparent PNG. Importing the clothes. Back in Alight motion, tap on the plus, go to media and import the clothing image. Place it on the character. Attaching the clothes to the body. Now our Baldy has clothes, but when he tries to move, it doesn't stay attached to the body. You have two options to attach the clothing to the body, and they depend on which version of Alight motion you use, the free version or the premium version. Free version. If you have a body layer, then select it and the shirt layer by long pressing on the layer thumb. Then tap on Group. Go to Move and Transform and tap on the location icon, which will bring out the pivot point. Place the pivot point around the belly button so that the body rotates properly. Now we'll group the front arm, head and body, which will make up the upper body. The back arm can just be followed along using location. It will need to be animated manually. I didn't include the back arm in the upper body group as it would end up being in front of the back leg, which is not in the correct order. Premium version. If you have the premium version of Alight motion, then take the clothing layer, tap on the parenting button and choose the body layer. We have attached the clothing layer to the body layer now. The body layer you chose is now the parent of the shirt. Make sure you place the pivot point of the body layer properly, as you'll be moving the body layer and the clothing layer will stay attached to it. What goes where? Different accessories, clothes, etc. go with different body parts. For example, the hairpins and hats will stay inside the head group along with the facial layers. Wristwatches, bracelets, sleeves belong in the arm group or with the arm, while socks, shoes, pant layers will belong in the leg group. So don't forget to put the clothes and accessories in their correct places. The best way would be using a mix of grouping and parenting. Parenting is laggier while grouping is not so laggy. I'd advise taking the many layers on one body part and putting them in a group instead of having a mess. Have a nice day!